These trailers come from the factory. You don't have a lot of options for tie down points. Well, we're going to change that today. What we're going to do is build some stake pockets and install some rub rail. And this is what we're going to use for the rub rail. It's 1.5 inches wide, 3/8 thick, pretty stout stuff. So if you want to clamp something to it and pull on it really tight, it's not going to bend. We're going to make some stake pockets. We can weld them to the trailer, and then we can weld the rub rail to the stake pockets. We'll be able to get a vertical weld here. So I'll put another stake pocket here. We'll be able to get a tack top and bottom on this. We'll do another stake pocket here. Tack top and bottom here. We're going to build them using our DIY press brake attachment. And we're going to use 3x4 flat bar right there. There it is. I haven't used this attachment for very long, but I'm getting the hang of it and I'm really liking it. There we are right there. Nah, it's not going to hit. Looks like we're going to have plenty of room. I just can't get over how this makes a perfect 90-degree bend every single time, effortlessly. There's all kinds of modifications too you could do to this press brake. You could put a stop in the back, an adjustable stop so that you have a depth stop so you could make repeatable bends. All kinds of upgrades you could do. I actually have a piece of 1.5 inch or maybe 2-inch angle inside this bottom die just to help protect these edges when I'm bending expanded metal. Because when you're bending expanded metal, depending on which way you're bending it, if you're bending it like this, these little nubs here will dig into the bottom of the die. So I put this inside of it just to help protect it, and I've been leaving it in there because it bends a perfect 90. We just got to build one more now, but I wanted to share with you just how well these are duplicated and repeated. Look how flush everything is. There, inside. I think if I remember right, I have about $70 in that building that bender. And it will bend material a little over 18 inches wide, and it'll bend up to 3/8 material. Maybe even more. I haven't tried any thicker than that.